Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to automatically copy values from one field to another in Salesforce. This is incredibly useful when you need certain data to populate across different fields without manual entry, saving you time and reducing errors. Let's start by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner of your Salesforce interface, then select Setup. This takes you to the configuration area where you can customize your Salesforce environment. Once you're in Setup, look for the Quick Find box on the left side, type in Flows, and click on Flows from the search results. This is where you'll create the automation that handles the copying process. Now, click New Flow to start building your automation. Salesforce will present you with several flow types. Select Record Triggered Flow and then click Create. This type of flow is perfect for our needs because it runs automatically whenever specific record conditions are met. In the flow configuration screen, you'll need to set up the trigger. For Object, select Account. This tells Salesforce which type of record will trigger this flow. Next, for Trigger the Flow When, select A record is created or updated. This ensures your flow runs whenever an account record is either newly created or modified. Under Optimize Flow, select Actions and Related Records to ensure optimal performance. Now it's time to add the actual copying action. Click the plus icon that appears under Start, then click Update Records. This element will handle the field copying. In the Label field, type Copy field to target. This helps you identify the action later if you need to edit the flow. For how to find records to update and set their values, select Use the account record that triggered the flow. This is crucial because it tells the flow to work with the same account record that started the automation rather than searching for other records. Here's where the magic happens. In Set Field Values for the account record, click the field dropdown and search for your target field. For example, you might select account name or any custom field you want to populate. In the value box, click the dropdown field, then click Triggering Account. Search for your source field and click it. For instance, if you're copying account name, you'd select that same field here. This creates the connection between source and target. Click Save, then enter Copy Account field as your flow label and click Save again. Finally, click Activate to turn on your flow. Your automation is now live and will automatically copy values from one field to another whenever an account record is created or updated. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.